Solution for this problem: set of values of x satisfying modulus of x minus 1 less than or equal to 5 and modulus of x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so see here we need to get the values of x. See, values of x we need to find so that those values should satisfy both inequalities. Okay, so see, anyways, first we are going to take this first inequality. What is that? Modulus of x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. Okay, so this is like what? Tell me. Modulus of x less than or equal to some a. That can be taken as what? So minus 5 less than or equal to x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. Correct? And one more inequality is there. What is that? Modulus of x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, based on this, what you can write? X belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity you can write. Okay, so this will implies us what? So see, adding 1 in all sides, so means minus 5 plus 1 less than or equal to x minus 1 plus 1 less than or equal to 5 plus 1. So here 1 added in all sides. So getting what? Tell me. Minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6 here. And correspondingly from second inequality, anyway we got direct interval. So when you have greater than or equal to symbol, you need to take minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity. When you have less than or equal to symbol, minus 2 to 2 you need to take. So anyways, see here x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity. So common values of these two intervals we need to take. So here which values you got? Values are from minus 4 to 6 you got. And from second inequality, minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity we got, right? So to get common values, generally we'll take real line. On real line we can know common values. So in all these numbers, lesser number you write first. So see here anyway, on real line will have, you need to represent minus infinity first. So lesser of all these numbers is what? Minus 4. So after that minus 2, next 2, next 6, right? And at last infinity you give. So see, from this interval you are having minus 4 to 6. Okay, and from the second interval minus infinity to minus 2, see here, minus infinity to minus 2, next 2 to infinity, 2 to infinity. So therefore, see here, what about common values? Then these are common values, correct? So it all implies as what? X belongs to. See, minus 4 can be taken or not. For minus 4, from first interval, closed bracket is there. That can be taken from first one. And in next one also, minus 4 is there in this interval, correct? So minus 4 exactly can be taken. When we can able to take that, you have to take closed bracket, comma, minus 2. So for minus 2, you see here, you don't have in this interval. Why? Here open bracket is there, right? Union 2 to 6. So 6 is there in this interval. Here also you are having 6, right? Why? Closed bracket is there. So finally these are values of x will satisfies above two inequalities. Minus 4 to minus 2 union 2 to 6. But you see here is equal to symbol is there, so that you can take closed brackets. So here also closed brackets. Next see closed brackets. So therefore you see here exactly minus 2 also can be taken. Why minus 2? Here you have in this interval also minus 2 is there. So in this interval 2 is there, here also exactly 2 is there. So closed bracket you take. Okay. So see, now we'll discuss next example. Next example problem you see here. That is, if x minus 1 by x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, then x belongs to what? Then you need to get interval for x. Now see solution for this. So here one inequality is given. Can we send this x to other side? So if x is positive number, on sending it to other side, inequality does not changes. If x is a negative, on sending negative number to other side, inequality changes. So we don't know x is positive or negative, so that's why we unable to send this x to other side. So for that you see here, take this 2 only to left side, then what will get? Minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, x minus 1 minus 2x divided by x. Okay, and taking LCM greater than or equal to 0. X minus 2x is what? Minus x minus 1 divided by x greater than or equal to 0. Multiplying with the negative sign on both sides. Already I said that on multiplying with the negative sign, inequality changes. Okay, now see here. Now also x can't be sent to other side, right? X can't be sent to other side. So I am doing one thing, multiplying with x, dividing with x. Already you are having x here, so that's why x square will get. Now sending this x square to other side. Now sending this x square to other side. Why? You know that x square is positive number, sending positive number to other side, inequality does not changes. So x plus 1 into x less than or equal to 0 we can write. Okay. Now see here, this is like x minus of minus 1 into x minus 0 less than or equal to 0. So now see here, taking real line, minus 1, 0. So before minus 1 you take any value and apply in this inequality. So before minus 1, suppose minus 10 is there. Minus 10 is there. So you can apply in this one or in this, no problem. So you see here, minus 10 you write, minus 10 minus minus plus 1. Okay, minus 10. Okay, what we are getting here? Minus 9 into minus 10. So it is going to be plus 90, correct or not? Plus 90. Plus 90 is not less than or equal to 0, correct or not? So any value before minus 1 can't be taken. Okay, so in that way checking values of x lying between minus 1 and 0. Between minus 1 and 0, for example, minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 you write in place of x. Then we'll see this inequality is satisfying or not. Minus 0.5. Okay, minus 0.5 plus 1 is what? 0.5. Now this is what? Minus 0.5. Then getting what? Tell me. Minus 0.25. Minus 0.25 is less than or equal to 0. Right statement only. So any value lying in -1 to 0 can be taken. Okay. Next you see here, taking any value after 0. Suppose 10. So 10 minus into minus plus 1, next 10. So 10 plus 1, 11 into 10 gives us what? 110, positive number. That is not less than or equal to 0, right? So any value after 0 can't be taken. So here you are getting positive results. If you want to draw graph, you may have graph like this. Means positive results we are getting for this. Okay. For this expression I am telling you. This one. Okay. Positive results. Okay. Next after that negative results we are getting. After that positive results. So this all implies as what? So see, x belongs to -1 to 0 can be taken. -1 to 0. But for 0, see, but for 0, closed bracket can't be given. Why? On taking x as 0, denominator getting 0, right? So you need to give open bracket only. So these are some example problems from inequalities. Thank you everyone.